Hi, welcome back to another episode of Notion AI use cases. So today I'm excited to show you the OCR functionality of Notion Custom Agent. So the idea is that you can put in an invoice. For example, we have this for the event that I hosted. And I'm going to just create a page here under my finance tracker and scroll to the right. So I'll upload on the receipt. And this is the PDF. Just click open. I just need to tell the AI to start. Once it's uploaded, I'll just ask the AI to read the receipt. So for now, we can't really trigger it based on the file itself. Hopefully Notion will change this. So you can see that the custom agent is already working. So it's reading the file and then help me to update the page. So what I'm showing you now is still in beta. So there's no concrete release date, but I'm just excited to show you the potential of what Notion can do. So you can see back to our page. You fill in the birth and cradle resources, descriptions, the type of expense, the category as an event, and then the amount, and even the dates. It just amazed me that how OCR technology has grown so far. Back in the days, we can take 6 months to build something like this, but now you can just pay a monthly subscription, take 10 to 15 minutes to set it up, and bam, that's the result. So if you like my Notion AI use cases, please like and subscribe. I'll speak to you again soon.